Namaste friends. Hello to all. My name is Mamta and I am from Divine Retreats. So today we will learn how to practice Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So this is a very good deep breathing in which you relax your mind, you calm down your nervous system and relax your full body and brain. And it has many emotional, physical, spiritual and mental benefits also. So once you practice, then only you will feel changes. So first of all, you need to find a place where you can sit down and then keep your spine straight. So the environment should be comfortable, peaceful, where you can practice your deep breathing. So first of all, you sit in a comfortable position like Sukhasan, Siddhasan, Lotus pose or Padmasan or Vajrasan. The way you feel comfortable. And after that, you sit in Dhyan Mudra. So this is Dhyan Mudra. Your thumb and index fingertip. Rest of the fingers are going forward. So place both of your hands on your knees comfortably. Okay? And then first close your eyes. Just relax your mind. Take few deep breaths. Gently, deeply. Inhale. Exhale. So prepare yourself for pranayam. Prepare your body, your mind and your breath for your practice. And relax. Now we will use our right hand. If you're right-handed, use your right hand. And we will have Pran Mudra. Okay? Pran Mudra is thumb should be upward, index finger down, middle finger down. And your ring finger and little finger should be up. And use your hand in this way. Okay? And holding your nostrils like this. Alright? So the other hand should be on Dhyan Mudra on your knee. Okay? So use your hand in Pran Mudra like this. Okay? Then press your right nostril with your thumb. Always start inhaling from left. When you do Anulom Vilom Pranayam, start inhaling from left. And then press your left nostril, exhale from right. So you will inhale from right and then exhale from left. Means you will do alternative breathing. So in case you start inhaling from left and then exhale from right, and from right only, from the same side nostril, you will start inhaling. Means हिंदी में जिससे हमें एक्सेल करेंगे उसी से हम इनहेल करेंगे और दूसरी साइड से हम एक्सेल कर देंगे. फिर जिससे हमने एक्सेल किया है उसी साइड से हम इनहेल करेंगे और दूसरी साइड से एक्सेल कर देंगे. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. जिससे आप, आई रिपीट, जिससे आप एक्सेल करेंगे उसी से आप इनहेल करेंगे और दूसरी साइड से छोड़ देंगे, एक्सेल कर देंगे, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रैक्टिस. फर्स्ट learn about how to breathe, okay? Then I will add on few more techniques in same deep breathing exercise, okay? I hope you all can hear me clearly. So inhale from left and then exhale from right, and जिससे आपने एक्सेल किया है उसी से आप इनहेल करेंगे, दूसरी साइड से छोड़ देंगे. सिंपल. जिससे आप एक्सेल करेंगे उसी साइड से आप इनहेल करेंगे और दूसरी साइड से एक्सेल कर देंगे. वेरी इजी. आई जस्ट रिपीट. इनहेल फ्रॉम लेफ्ट and then exhale from right. Inhale from right, exhale from left. I hope now you know how to breathe in and breathe out, okay? But timing, the duration is also very, very, very important, okay? You can't have any compromise. So suppose you take 4 seconds in inhale, okay? You take 4 seconds in inhale and then take at least double time in exhale. All right, take at least double time in exhale. Remember this thing, okay? So initially an average person takes 4 to 5 seconds in inhale. Means for exhale you have to take 8 to 10 seconds in exhale. All right, so double time. And with some practice you will start increasing your inhale timing, like 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds. All right, but what about exhaling? You can't do exhaling for so long, like 20 seconds or 18 seconds or longer. Yes, you can do. You can do with some practice. I just give you one technique from my side, how you can make your exhale so long, how you can keep exhaling for so long. Very easy technique. When you inhale, you can make sound, okay? When you inhale you can make sound, but when you exhale, keep it silent. Try to keep it silent, okay? So initially it might take some practice, but slowly, gradually you will find really it easy. So when you exhale, make it silent, and the exhale intensity should be very low. Means you have to exhale very nominal. I just show you. So I will just count, okay, in my mind, and just you notice the counting while inhaling and while exhaling. All right? So I took how many seconds in inhale and how many in exhale? I took around 7 counts in inhale and around 14 counts in exhale, right? So beautiful. Yeah, this is so easy technique. So exhale very, very, very nominal, as if you don't feel like to exhale. Okay, कि एक्सेल करने का मन है ही नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, बहुत 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 कम आपको एक्सेल करना है. जिससे क्या होगा, आप अपनी टाइमिंग बढ़ा लेंगे. टाइमिंग बढ़ाने का क्या बेनिफिट है? मीन्स जितना ज़्यादा टाइम होगा, जितना ड्यूरेशन आप इनहेल में ले रहे हैं और जितना टाइम आप एक्सेल में ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, हो क्या रहा है, आप ऑक्सीजन इनहेल कर रहे हैं एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेल कर रहे हैं. मीन्स अपने प्रोसेस को यू आर इंक्रीजिंग, मेकिंग इट लॉन्ग. मीन्स you are extending the capacity of your lungs for breathing. Normally what we do, we just of what we actually should do only 20%, right? But while doing deep breathing exercise like anulom vilom pranayam or alternative breathing, you can increase your timing, your capacity for absorbing oxygen to your lungs. Why we do this deep breathing exercise? So why we inhale so much oxygen? My dear friends, oxygen is the food for your body, the primary food for your body. Without oxygen, no life is possible. No life for human beings, no life for any being. Okay, so oxygen is the food for your body, oxygen is the food for your blood, oxygen is the food for your brain, oxygen is the reason. ऑक्सीजन, उनका मेजर रीजन ऑक्सीजन की कमी से होता है. चाहे वो हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे वो ब्लड क्लोटिंग की प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे वो ब्रेन की प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे वो डाइजेशन की प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे मोटापा है, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, लंग्स की प्रॉब्लम है, किडनी की प्रॉब्लम है, लिवर की प्रॉब्लम है, एनी फिजिकल एंड इमोशनल प्रॉब्लम इज because of lack of oxygen. Okay, so that's why breathing, deep breathing exercise is equally important. That you have your food, that you do exercise. If you don't do deep breathing, everything is just waste or incomplete. Okay, so my dear friends, anything, whatever the reason, just take out at least 5 minutes, 10 minutes from your busy schedule for any form of deep breathing exercise. And in case you are suffering from stress or tension or maybe some uneasiness, so anulom vilom pranayam I recommend the most, because it relaxes your mind, it calms down your nervous system. It's a complete package for your mind and body. Okay, so once again I practice and you also practice with me. In case you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. For more videos, for more explanation, watch my videos, subscribe my channel and keep practicing. So one more time I will practice and show you. Inhale from left, take initially 4 to 5 seconds in inhale and 8 to 10 seconds in exhale. Slowly you can increase your timing. Okay, while inhaling, keep it, you can make sound, it's your choice. Like this we make sound, but while exhaling try to keep it silent as much as possible. Okay, inhale, exhale, No sound. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. So, whenever you start your practice of Anulom Vilom Pranayam, start inhaling from left. And when you finish, start and when you finish, exhale from left. Means जिस साइड से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इनहेल करना, उसी साइड से हम फिनिश करेंगे एक्सेल करना. ठीक है. एंड one more thing, you have to keep your spine very straight. Okay, shoulders should be backward but down, not up and forward. Keep it down and backward. Okay, chin should be in the center. Some people do this. No, don't do this. Should be in the center but little upward. Okay, don't bend your spine like this. Keep it straight, chin little up, and do this practice. Okay, if you do your neck down, so slowly you start bending your spine, which is good, which is wrong. So keep your spine straight, shoulders backward but down, chin little up, and then do your practice. And the most important thing, you keep your eyes closed. Make every deep breathing exercise or Anulom Vilom Pranayam meditative. Okay, so you are doing deep breathing exercise as well as meditation. You don't have to take any special time for meditation. So you are doing both. Okay, keep it very simple. And I think I have explained it. In case you still have any question related to Anulom Vilom Pranayam or alternative breathing, please write to me in comment box. And keep supporting, keep watching. Thank you so much for all your support. Thank you, friends.